Okay, for this lesson, we're going to be changing decimals to fractions. First thing we do is let's pick a decimal. This decimal is 36 hundredths. Now the way you say it is the way you would write it. 36 hundredths would be 36 over 100. Now when we change when we change decimals to fractions, we also want to make sure that it's written in simplest form. So I can reduce this fraction because both 36 and 100 are even numbers. Now the biggest common factor for both 36 and 100 is 4. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So my final answer, 36 hundredths, is equal to 9/25. Alright, let's do another example. How about this fraction? 6 hundredths. Remember, the way you say it is the way you write it. So that's going to be 6 over 100. Again, I can reduce this fraction because both 6 and 100 are even numbers, which means they can at least be divided both by 2. Now, that's going to be their greatest common factor, which is to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So the answer is 6 hundredths is the same as 3/50, or 3 over 50. Let's do one where we have a mixture of whole numbers and decimals. 4 and 11 hundredths. We're going to take this now. Any number to the left of the decimal is a whole number. Anything to the right of the decimal is a decimal. So this is going to turn into a mixed number. We write the large number 4, and then our decimal 11 hundredths is 11 over 100. Now, can we reduce that? No, I know that both of these numbers, 11 and 100, aren't even numbers, but let me see what are all the factors for 11. The factors for 11 are 1 and 11. It's a prime number, okay? And I know 11 is not a factor of 100. So we are done. My final answer is 4 and 11 hundredths would look like this as a mixed number. Continue to practice. Use the internet and your textbook to practice converting decimals into fractions and then writing those fractions as simplest form.